Hey guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be showing you a hair tutorial. It did not turn out exactly how I was hoping. I don't even know if I'm going to post this. I think I will, just to show you guys the attempt, but I'm going to show you how to do like this half up pony with curls. So if you want to see how I achieved this, then just keep watching. Okay guys, so I'm going to attempt this hairstyle, and I don't know if this video is even going to see the light of day because I have no idea how this is going to go. But basically I want to accomplish the like half up pony thing that I have seen quite a bit, and I did look up some videos on kind of how to do it, so I wanted to attempt it. And I also wanted to do this because in case any of you have like pretty fine like medium length hair, I really don't have a ton of hair, like this is it. So I wanted to, you know, if I can achieve this and it looks good, then I want to share it with you guys, because anytime I look up hairstyles for like fine thin hair, I really don't find a ton, or they end up using extensions, and I don't have extensions. I don't plan on getting any because they're pretty expensive. So I wanted to do this in hopes that it might help some of you. So I am going to curl my hair to kind of create more volume and make my hair look a little fuller, because if I just left it like this, there's not going to be much to it. And a lot of the looks I see of this hairstyle, they do have their hair curled. So I am using my T3 curling wand. I absolutely love this thing. I got it for a birthday gift from my friend, and I love it. It comes with 3 different barrel sizes, but this one is my favorite. I'll have to try to figure out which one this is, but my guess is it's probably about the inch one. I have the bigger one, and then I have the one that tapers, and I like this one the best. The bigger one doesn't really do anything for my hair since my hair is not that long, so this one works perfect. So what I'm going to do is we're going to just brush through the hair, and we're going to part it down the center. That's what I've seen people do. Now this hair is like day 2.5 straight hair, so it's probably not going to look as good as if my hair was actually freshly clean, but this is what we're working with. So I do have 2 different hair tie options, and I tied it up with this, and it does look cute, but it kind of just maybe is a little big, so I might use this one, but these are so damaging for your hair, so I'm not sure which one I'm going to do. I also have some texturizing spray with me. This is from Dry Bar. I used this once, I attempted to, and I don't know what it actually did, so I'm going to see if maybe it will do something today to this hair. And I also have a hairspray. This is from Sexy Hair, I guess. I got this at Ulta, like as a free thing one time, and it's not bad, so that's what we're going to use. So the first thing we want to do, I'm sorry if I'm looking down, I'm trying to look at my mirror to kind of see how I need to do this, is for me personally, like I don't want the hair to be up like this because I don't like how my ears look. So for me, and I guess you could always kind of play with it and see, but since again I don't have a lot of hair, you know, I'm not working with much, so it's not going to be as like poofy as a lot of them look at the top, because again, not a lot of hair. So I'm just going to take, obviously I do need like some, so what I did was I just kind of like brushed it up because I want it to be neat. So I guess this, if once we kind of curl it, this will probably be enough. And I do like to pull like a couple of the baby hairs out around the face, and we will curl those. I just want to have some like face shaping pieces. Honestly, I am terrible with hair. I don't really do anything to my hair besides sometimes curl it and straighten it. So I don't really ever do hairstyles. So we will see how this turns out. And just kind of feel around in the back too, because you want to make sure you don't have anything weird sticking up. And now what we will do is we will take, I'm going to take this hair tie and just see how it looks. No, I think I want to use the scrunchie. And I'm trying to kind of keep it centered. And you want to make sure that it's like at the top of your head. You don't want it to be back, because the idea here is that it's going to kind of sit like that. See, I think this hair tie is not the best, but we don't have to worry about that part of the hair quite yet because we're going to curl the bottom part first and then curl these and kind of see how it looks. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take my wand. I have no idea if I curl my hair correctly. I know there's like ways you're supposed to do it, but I'm doing it the way I know how. So basically I just take, you know, little pieces at a time. We'll start in the back and then I just curl it. And I just let it sit. And then once I feel like it's had enough time, I just kind of let it slide off. And that, I don't know if you can see, that is the kind of curl we get. And I just let it sit, and I do end up like later on brushing through it because I don't like that super tight curl look. So I like to make them a little more like beach wavy. So, but I just leave it because you don't want it to lose the curl altogether. And since we're doing like a volumized look, I'm probably going to just try to get as close to the head as possible. There's that one. That one looks pretty good. Another reason I kind of wanted to practice this look and do a video on it is because I'm kind of trying to find like a cute hairstyle for Coachella or just in festivals in general. I usually either just wear my hair straight and then I put it up. You know, I want to just have something a little cuter from those days. And I think having like a half up, half down look will kind of help the hair not get so knotty and messy, and it will just look cute. It's just more fun than just straight hair because like I always wear my hair straight, so if I can find an up hairstyle that I like, I'd be really happy because I usually, the only time I wear my hair up is honestly at the gym. I never wear it down. I mean, I never wear it up anywhere else just because I don't know, I just don't feel like I look that good with it. So if I can find something like this that incorporates like an up hairstyle with still having hair down, that'd be awesome. And then again, since I do have fine hair and thin hair, I don't hold it on for very long just because I don't want to damage my hair too much and I don't feel like I need to. It heats up and curls pretty quickly, and I only have this on like the 3rd light setting. I believe there's 5 and I just have it on the 3rd one. I guess that's like medium amount of heat and it does the job for me. So, oh, there's actually, yeah, there's 5. So see, I don't know how you can see that, but I keep it on the 3rd one. I've never used it any higher than that. I don't need to. But I guess if you had maybe like thicker, more coarse hair, you might need to, you know, have the heat setting be higher. I know this wand is super expensive, and I used to use just like a regular curling one from like Revlon, and it did the job, but I don't know, I really love this one. I don't know if I would have actually had ever like spent my own money on it if I didn't get it for a gift. But I'm happy I did because I just really do like it. And I think considering you do get the 3 attachments, and even though I don't use the other 2 that much, if you're someone that could use the other 2, I think it'd be even more worth it because you're getting, you know, 3 hair tools basically for the price of 1. Or, I mean, it's a pretty expensive price, but actually I believe that this exact product is on sale at Ulta right now. If it is, I'm gonna link it down below at Ulta, and then if it is on sale and you guys want to check it out, you know, you can. I don't know if it will still be on sale by the time I post this video, but I think it's on sale for $250 instead of $300. So anyway, this is the curls we're working with. I got them decently high up. If I need to, you know, I kind of just let this sit, and if I need to touch up any pieces kind of at the end, I will. I'll go back over it. I'm just trying to curl that like baby hair there. Now we'll move on to the other side. I always find doing this side more difficult for me. I don't know if it's because it's like my dominant side and, you know, it's a little bit harder, but I manage. Alright, so this is what side 2 is looking like. So 1 and 2. It's not like perfect, but the other thing is too, like, I will not leave it looking like this. I just kind of like to let it sit and kind of, you know, like hold the curls. But I do see a piece here that I want to fix. Alright, so now we can move on to this section and see how this goes. I have not ever done this before, so. Realistically, I probably should have like curled all the hair first, but I wanted to give this method a go. And I can always take it down and re-put it up if I have to. I don't know. This looks a little weird. So I think what I'm going to do is just take it all down and then re-put it up. And I'm going to make sure that it's all nice and curled. So now let me just like brush through. And if I need to re-curl any of the pieces, I will. So this is what it looks like, kind of brushed through. I actually like after it's been, like after my hair has been curled for a little while, and then how it looks, because then it's like it's relaxed even more and doesn't look, you know, like this. But this is what it looks like in the back. So now we can take our section and see how that looks. Maybe I'll go back to this hair tie too, the regular black one. Alright guys, so I kind of readjusted it. I don't know, you guys have to tell me what you think. Do you think that this looks right? I don't know. When I look at it in the mirror, like I don't think it looks, I mean it's not like the worst thing I've ever seen in my life. That's, you know, that's kind of how I feel about it, but I just feel like it doesn't look right. I don't know. You guys will have to tell me, but I think what I'm going to do is, there's a couple pieces from the beginning that didn't curl the best. Alright. Now what I think we'll do is we will try some of this texture spray. I guess that creates a little bit more volume. Can you guys see? That side looks a little flatter than this one. Could also have to do with hair placement on that side. I feel like I look bald right here. I was trying to pull some of the hairs down, but I don't want to ruin it. This one video I watched, the girl, she put like root spray in, you know, these kinds of areas, but I'm not going to do that right now. I don't even have root spray, but if I did. I guess that definitely does kind of do something, that texture spray. I'm actually impressed by the texture spray. I've never, like I said, I never really used it before. This side definitely looks a little bit more full than this side, so if I did this again, I think I need to just, I can see it, like right here you shouldn't see that, because on this side, you don't. Like, you can see that I need more hair in this spot, and I think the hair is right here, but I just don't want to pull it and mess it up like I said, but. And also I know I could probably like tease the top hairs, but teasing hair, like anytime I watch it, I just cringe because I feel like it's terrible for your hair. So, I don't do that. Alright, I guess that is the finished look, so I will see you guys in a second. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I mean, from the side, I think it looks pretty cute and looks like how it needs to, but then I look at myself from the front and it doesn't really look like anything. And so, I mean, I like it. I like the curls. The curls turned out really nice. You know, I love the curling iron, so that's not an issue. But I just can't figure out how to get this to be like more visible. I need to just somehow figure out how to get it like more like right here on the head versus back here. And on this side I need to make sure that I have a little bit more hair, as you guys can see. But I hope this video was maybe a little bit helpful for some of you that have like finer hair like I do and don't have very much. So I hope that it was helpful. Please give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching this kind of sad attempt at this hairstyle. I had fun trying to do it, and I'm going to try to get better and practice because I think this would be a really cute hairstyle to do for Coachella and would be pretty easy too, you know, nothing super crazy involved, and it would be something I could just leave down because then I still have most of my hair like pulled out of my face, so I think this would be a super cute hairstyle for that. So if you enjoyed the video, like I said, please give the video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any future videos, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!